In today's manufacturing landscape, equipment downtime is more than an inconvenience. It's a challenge that disrupts operations and eats into profits. The ongoing shortage of skilled workers and the growing complexity of machinery have only made the issue worse. But what if there was a solution that could bring you the machinery knowledge you need when you need it? Introducing NewForge Knowledge Place. Through the combined power of artificial intelligence and augmented reality, NewForge Knowledge Place is revolutionizing equipment maintenance. The platform offers instant, on-demand knowledge that streamlines your operations rather than adding to your workload. Say goodbye to wasting money on travel and downtime and get help when you need it. Search through our database of industry experts and schedule a call for remote help anywhere in the world in real time. An expert can remotely see what you see through over-the-shoulder assistance using AR and smart glasses and provide clear and direct help with our specialized software. Our patent-pending AI gives you quick troubleshooting answers and creates instant instructions that capture your processes. Knowledge Place is the central hub for all your equipment maintenance needs. Ready to elevate your operations? Visit newforge.pro to sign up today.